Hello everyone, this is Western York Fly Guide. Today we're out here on Sandy Creek. Going to be doing some fishing for some dropback steelhead and maybe a brown or two, see if we can't get one. It's a little windy today, that's why I got the switch rod out. I want to be able to cut through the wind a little bit. The water is on its way down, it's a little bit stained, which is perfect for this type of fishing. Today we're going to be using black marabou jigs. I've seen some stoneflies hatching out today too, so maybe we'll switch over to something like that a little later if this doesn't work out. Let's go get them. Just trying to film up the intros. Landed a nice little brown. Really nice fish. Over to the wall. Is he gonna go up the wall? It looks like he's going to the other side. Oh. Running me all over. Nice, yeah. What a beaut. Absolute. Oh, here we go. Ah, he's coming over. Oh, he tangled himself all up. Jesus. No. Nice, man.